how to make professional thumbnail for YouTube automation with this AI thumbnail maker. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make professional looking thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and you can simply click on the link given in the description below in order to get an access to pixels.com. We'll be using this platform in order to generate professional looking thumbnails, and all of the great YouTubers and great content creators use this website in order to generate professional looking thumbnails. No, they don't spend hours of time on creating thumbnails from scratch. They just make thumbnails with just a simple click and they're ready. Boom, their thumbnails would be ranked within the YouTube community and they can simply, attract more people. So I'll show you exactly how you can use this platform in order to generate viral thumbnails and titles in seconds. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply click on the link given in the description below. You can see that it is trusted by 2,079,907 users and it has a great score on Trustpilot. So once you're here, you're going to simply head over, click on try for free, and you can simply sign up using your account. So here you can sign up using your Discord, Google, and Apple account. For this tutorial, we're going to go with my Google account. We're going to click on login with Google and then you're going to select your Google account. And once you do so, you're going to click on continue. And after that, you'll be redirected to the pixels.com. So once you do create an account, you'll be redirected to the pricing page. So what basically happens, we have three types. So we have one that is completely free. It can generate your first 5 thumbnails, no credit card required. So you can simply try now in order to generate a mere idea that how you can use Pixels and whether you should be using it or not. And then after that, we have 3 plans. One is essential, one is premium, and the other is ultimate. The premium one is the most popular in the market right now. The essential one is for $20, but right now it has 30% discount and it's on $14 per month. It is built annually. It can generate up to 240 thumbnails per year. It has 2,400 credits, works in any language, and it has a thumbnail generator feature. Whereas it doesn't have the rest of the features right now. And the other one is premium, which is the most popular in market. It is for $40, but right now it has a discount of $30, so it's for $28 per month right now. It can generate up to 1,800 thumbnails per year. It has 18,000 credits, works in any language. It has thumbnail generator, personas, thumbnail recreation, sketch to thumbnail, thumbnail enhancer, face swap, edit thumbnail, title generator. And then we have the ultimate one. It is $80, but it has a discount of 30%, which makes it $56 per month. It has all the features that the premium one include. Additionally, it has all generation remain private and early access to new features. So if you want to try it, you can simply head over, click on subscribe. So for now, we're going to go with try for free. And you can simply click on try now, and if you really like this platform, then you can head over and buy any version. So let us go log in with Google, and then you're going to simply select your Google account and then click on continue and you're good to go. Once you sign into Pixels account, you'll be able to see something like this, but the videos that you generate right now will be with watermark. So we have 4 features over here. One is thumbnail, and here you can simply give them a prompt and the AI will generate a thumbnail for you. And the other one is recreate. So what basically happens in recreate is that you can either upload your thumbnail or you can upload the link or add the link of your thumbnail or YouTube video. And then you can select the inspiration weight, like whether you want it low, medium, or high. Like you would ask AI to regenerate the thumbnail for you. And inspiration weight basically means is that how much idea will they pick from the ready-made thumbnail, whether you want it to take a low inspiration from that thumbnail, whether you want to take medium inspiration or high inspiration. High inspiration means that you just want to replicate that thumbnail but in a better version. And then we have persona. So what basically happens is that you can, right now there's no persona available, but you can simply give them your personas as well. And you can simply type down the changes that you want to make. For example, if you wish to upload a thumbnail and you don't want Pixels to completely change the thumbnail, you just want to change something in that specific thumbnail. For example, if there is a house in the thumbnail, you want, this AI to remove that house only. So you're just going to keep the inspiration weight high and you're going to type down the change that just remove this house and let the rest of the thumbnails be the same. And once done, you're good to go. Simply click on generate, and this Pixels AI will recreate the thumbnail for you, recreate a more customized and better version for you. And then we have face swap. So for face swap, but what basically happens is that you're going to upload a thumbnail. So over here, you're going to upload the thumbnail, and over here, you're going to upload the face. For example, if you have a thumbnail with Cristiano Ronaldo's picture on it, so you want the picture to be swapped with your own picture. So you're going to upload that thumbnail over here, and then you're going to upload your picture over here, and then you're going to click on generate, and they're going to generate it for you. Lastly, we have title. So you can create a title on dramatic failure. So that means you're going to give them a prompt, and then they're going to generate a title for your YouTube video in order to catch more audience. So let's first create a thumbnail, and then we can tweak in our edits. So let's say I'm going to give this prompt that is a skeleton holding a smartphone, a melting brain dripping green slime, and the bold text brain rot in a neon glitchy style. So if you wish to add any personas or styles, you can do that. Click on generate, and then Pixels will generate the output for you. Simply wait for it to get loaded. And now you can see this is the result. So it's pretty cool that the skeleton is holding smartphone with brain rot written. And now you can see that the skeleton is in front of the text that is brain rot. So let's say I wish that the text that says brain rot is at the bottom of the thumbnail, so that the person or the viewer can actually read the text and understand what it's trying to say. Let's change the color of the brain to purple. So you're going to click on edit over here, and you can simply type in what changes you want. Let's say I'm going to tell it to change the color of the brain and just reposition the text. Once you've written the prompt, simply click on generate, and then Pixels will regenerate the thumbnail for you with the changes that you have asked it to make. So it has regenerated the thumbnail, and now you can see the text is visible with a purple color of brain. So just like that, you can tweak in your own edits the way you want. The next feature is recreate. So you can simply upload a thumbnail for a sample and just tweak in the edits you want to add in it. Let's say I have added this Mr. Beast thumbnail. You can see that there is an image of Mr. Beast with a temple at the right side and behind him. So, for example, if I want to, remove the person or replace his picture with any other picture, and let's say I'm gonna, edit the temple into Pyramid of Giza. So I want to replace this temple with Pyramid of Giza and add any other image. So I have given in this prompt, or let's say edit prompt. So I'm gonna click on generate, and let's see what the results are. So this is the result generated, and you can see that the picture has been changed with the persona. So you can simply select your own persona, upload your own images, and you can just add that over here. And you can see that the temple has been changed to Pyramid of Giza. And if you wish to edit it further, such as adding any text such as Pyramid of Giza or any kind of text you want, you can add that over here. So just like that, you can use Pixels to create attractive thumbnails, and that will make your video rank, and you can also drive more audience to your videos. So that's how you can use Pixels. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.